Vishal Malkan and a founder of Malkan's View Training Institute. We provide training in technical analysis and behavioral finance. We have trained people from individual backgrounds as well as corporate houses and management institutes. I have been also a trader since the age of 16 and I have traded all kinds of stocks, commodities and forex.
Hi, this is Meghna Malkan. I am also a trainer at Malkan's View Training Institute. We are here to talk about our flagship program, which is the Mentor program. This program is one of its kind in India. It is specially designed for people who wish to take up trading as a profession.
The Mentor program runs for 18 months and it is broadly divided into two parts. One is the trading aspect and one is the personal transformation aspect. In the first 6 months, we start from basics. If you have absolute no clue about stock market or technical analysis, then also you can do this. We start from basics, advanced, methods, strategies, backtesting, tools, money management, emotions management, everything. Apart from the trading strategies and the technical indicators, we also work on the personal transformation. We believe that market is more of a mind game. Most intelligent investors lose money in the market because of having the wrong mindset. So we work on your goal setting, motivation, time management, confidence and many more personal aspects of your personality, so it helps you to become a professional trader.
During the next 6 months, the participants shall begin trading under our guidance. Every trade that they take shall be monitored as well as guided by us personally. Every week we hold a session called the Mastermind session, where we not only discuss the performance of the participants for the last week, but we also discuss the probable trading strategies for the coming week. We also hold personal one-to-one session with each participant to know their trading as well as personal progress and also roadblocks that they may be facing, if any.
In the last 6 months, we give you online support. We help you with your trading strategies, we review your journals every month. We also have one-to-one sessions every month.
I shall now point out some highlights of this program. The best part is you do not need to have any prior background to become a professional trader. We have coached and mentored students from various backgrounds. We have had IT engineers, doctors, lawyers, and we have turned them into professional traders. I myself am a lawyer and had no knowledge about the stock markets or technical analysis in particular. But now I am a full-time trader as well as a trainer. So if I can do it, anybody can do it.
Now I'll tell you the benefits of becoming a professional trader doing a mentor program. Now first and foremost is the freedom of money. Because there is no upper limit to the amount of money you can make in the market because of so many opportunities available.
The second highlight is the long duration of the program. This helps you undergo every type of market trend, be it an uptrend, a downtrend or a sideways trend, under our guidance into the program.
The second most important advantage of becoming a professional trader is the freedom of time. You can trade any point of time in the day. When you want to trade equity, you can trade in the morning, commodities in the evening or currencies at the night. It gives you complete freedom of time to trade at your own convenience.
The third important thing is this entire program can be pursued online. You can attend the sessions from wherever you are, from any part of the country or any part of the world. So geographical limitations can no longer bar you from attending this program.
The third benefit of becoming a professional trader is that you have unlimited opportunities across the globe because you have equities, commodities and currencies to trade. And there are so many markets. There is never a dearth of opportunities. It's not that if I don't trade for a month, then I will lose out something. Because as soon as I start my computer, opportunity is waiting for me.
Moreover, all the sessions are recorded by us. So even if you miss any session, you can always avail for recording. You will not miss anything.
Another important benefit about becoming a professional trader is that you don't have dependency on the economy, nor the government policies, nor the interest rate. Because market keeps going up, market keeps going down, and you, as a trader, you can trade both sides of the market and make consistent amount of money.
The fifth highlight is that during this entire program, we work on the overall transformation of the person. So apart from working on the trading aspects, we also work on the personal transformation aspects. This helps in the overall development of the individual.
Last but not the least is that there are no deadlines or there are no competition in the market. You are competing against your own self. You don't have to compete with anybody else. There are no colleagues, there are no politics, there are no bosses. There are no deadlines to meet when you have to make certain amount of money in a certain amount of time. You just have to trade whenever you are comfortable, when the opportunities are there, and then you can grab the opportunity and make that money.
Another important highlight. All the trades that the participants execute during the program are personally monitored and guided by the mentors. And last but not the least, the mentors are accessible to the participants for all the 24 hours for any of the personal or trading issues the participants may have.
Please provide with your name and email ID and we'll be sending you free training videos from Malkan's View. This is Vishal Malkan signing off. Thank you, good luck and good trading.